Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you our products XP-420B 4-inch label printer. Here is the inner box. Let's open it and check what's inside. The power cable, power adapter, the accessories, USB cable, and the user manual. And here is the printer. Now let's open it and check inside. As you can see, this is the paper roll for the label roll. It could be 5 inches label roll diameters. Here is the printer head, which is imported from Japan and very durable. It can bear high temperature when printing in large quantity, and the printer head line is 30 kilometers. Okay, now let's put the paper roll inside. And this is the device to adjust the distance for the different size of paper. Okay, let's print some waybill to check the printing result.